Following the footsteps of our ancestors, who believed to preserve not only the land but its heritage as well. This is the most peaceful and beautiful place I could be. You will be touched by the hospitality of the welcoming natives. Diving in the Derawan Sea, you can dance with the graceful turtles and witness the thousands of barracuda. It is truly a place of living nature. Berau is the place where nature has not been rearranged by the hand of men. If you truly love nature, you'll find beauty in Berau.